Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to align yourself with the law of attraction. How law of attraction can be made easy. So let's call it law of attraction made easy on how to live. What you need to start with is ask yourself a question. Who are you? Define your identity. Because you see, what you attract depends on who you are. What you manifest depends on who you are, how you define yourself. This is why you need to write a description of who you are. Write down a list of your personal traits. And this could be a tricky question, that we're not used to answering in the way that it actually benefits us. So if I ask you, who are you? You will probably say your name, your date of birth, maybe your surname, your origin, maybe your family relations, maybe your profession, maybe your status in society, so on and so on. But none of this will be really relevant for your life. Because what's relevant for your life and for what you attract and for what you manifest are your qualities as a person. Who are you as a being? For example, I'm passionate. I'm committed. I never give up. I love helping people. I love having fun. I love enjoying myself. I'm a hard worker. I'm committed. I commit to my goals. I plan things and I commit to executing them. I don't give up. And so on and so on and so on and so on. These are the things that you are as a person. So you think about it. Write a list of your personal traits, because the way you identify yourself, what you identify yourself with, what you see yourself as, a passionate person, a committed person, a person who doesn't give up, a person who loves helping other people, a person who is committed to God, a person who is committed to doing good deeds, a person who is committed to improve their life and the life of others. Things like that. This is also uplifting. If this is our definition of ourselves, if this is your definition of yourself, you're going to stick with it. And whatever you do in life, you're going to stick with this definition. So you're going to give it your best. You're going to be enjoying your life. You're going to be having fun. You're going to be looking for things with which you define yourself. And this is what you will attract to. This is what you will manifest in your life. If you define yourself as a person who loves handling big amounts of money, a person who is building a financial empire, a person who is building a legacy for generations to come, this is your definition of yourself. And your subconscious mind will do everything to fulfill this definition. And this is how you feel inside yourself. This is who you feel you are. You see, these are the things that are important for your life. Definition of who you are, your identity, your core identity, not the name, as I said, not the, where you're from, not your origin, not your family relations, not your, profession. No, your traits, your personal traits as a person. And write a list of them. Write down as many good ones as you can possibly think of, and then sort of among those good ones, point out the ones and underline the ones that are really important. And you read through them every day and do something small to fulfill one of those, some small steps every day. If you're somebody who loves helping other people, do something small in that direction maybe every single day. If you're somebody who commits themselves, then you make sure that the things that you are committed to, that you get to the end of them, that you fulfill your commitment. If you're somebody who is, loves helping the family, then do it. Make sure you do it on a daily basis, and so on and so on. You see, this is your life. This is what is so important in your life, your definition of yourself, how you define yourself as a person. This is who you are. This is what you feel inside. And all your life you're trying to be consistent. Your subconscious mind is always trying to be consistent with your definition of yourself. This is why this is so important. So just grab a piece of paper, a pen, and just write down a list of your personal traits. Write down a description of who you are, and this is the start. Read through it every day, and your subconscious will make sure you're consistent with it. That you do everything that is consistent with who you are, with your identity. So make sure it's something good, make sure it's something uplifting, make sure it's something that gives you joy, pleasure. If hard work is that, some people derive pleasure from hard work. They're hard workers, they're proud of being hard workers. Write it down. I'm a hard worker. I derive joy out of it, pleasure out of it. I'm proud of it, and so on and so on and so on. I'm sure you get the point of what I'm saying here, and don't underestimate the importance of it. Thank you for spending a bit of time with me. As always, I will leave some programs underneath this video for you to use and help you together with using my videos to create the life you want the way you want it. It can all be done. And I will talk to you soon.